So, when we talk about recruitment, it's not just about hiring someone who looks impressive on paper, right?
Exactly. It's about finding someone who fits not only the position but the team and the culture. You can't just pick a person based on their qualifications without thinking about how they'll actually operate within the company.
And that's what makes it so tricky. How do you even know if someone will be a good fit before they start?
You need to look at their track record, but also their mindset. Are they someone who can grow with the company? Are they capable of lifting others around them?
Right. It's not just about intelligence. It's about being able to take a small company to the next level. Sometimes hiring the smartest person isn't enough.
Absolutely. It's about leadership. They need to be able to work with people, lead effectively, and understand the company's vision. And it's also about understanding the company's stage, whether it's in a growth phase or stabilization.
That's why sometimes companies bring in outside talent. They need fresh ideas, new perspectives that someone internally just can't provide.
Yes, because innovation doesn't always come from within. If you only rely on your existing team, you're bound to hit a plateau. Sometimes you need to bring in someone who has a completely different skill set.
But it's not easy, right? Even when you bring in external talent, how do you ensure they integrate well with the existing team?
It's all about how you onboard them. You can't just throw them into the deep end. You need to see if they can adapt to the culture and if they're able to inspire and align with the team's goals.
So in essence, it's about striking a balance. You need someone who has the right skills, but can also foster a collaborative environment.
Exactly. It's not just about hiring someone because they've done great things elsewhere. You have to look at the long-term picture. How will they help elevate the team, the company?
And it's also important to have the confidence to say no if something feels off. You can't force a fit just because of their credentials.
Right. If the conditions aren't right for success, you have to walk away. A bad hire can set you back far more than no hire at all.
So to sum up, it's not just about talent. It's about strategy, culture, and knowing exactly what the company needs at that point in time.
Spot on. The best recruitment decisions come from understanding your current situation, knowing where you want to go, and then finding someone who can help you get there.
That's the key to building a successful, sustainable team, being intentional with every hire.
Couldn't agree more. It's not about just filling a role, but about creating something bigger.